One of the most useful tools available to the public of Harris County is the Harris County Flood Warning System, found at www.harriscountyfws.org. The Harris County Flood Control District's Flood Warning System measures rainfall amounts and monitors water levels in bayous and major streams on an almost real-time basis to inform you and your community of dangerous weather conditions. The system is one of the densest rainfall gauge systems in the nation, and it relies on 154 gauge stations strategically placed throughout Harris County bayous and their tributaries. The stations contain sensors that transmit valuable data during times of heavy rainfall and during tropical storms and hurricanes. Some gauges also measure wind speed and direction, barometric pressure, air temperature, road temperature, and humidity. When it begins to rain, data collecting sensors at each gauge station begin transmitting rainfall totals and bayou or stream levels to primary and backup base stations located at Houston Transtar and at the Harris County Appraisal District. This information is monitored daily by software and by Flood Control District staff to ensure the gauges are properly functioning and transmitting accurate data. In addition to the data collected at these gauge stations, data is also transmitted to the Flood Control District from gauges that are monitored and maintained by partner agencies. Both the Flood Control District and our partners' data are available to you through the mapping tool on www.harriscountyfws.org. The purpose of the Flood Warning System website is to provide you with user-friendly information collected by the gauges. Let's take a look at the website and how to use it to gauge rainfall and flooding in your area. First, go to www.harriscountyfws.org. You may access this website on your desktop computer, tablet, or mobile device. To see data near you, enter your address in the Search Address window on the left-hand side of the screen. Now you can see where you are located in relationship to the nearest bayou, stream, and gauge. These gauges will be reporting data in real time. If it is not raining, you will likely see 0.00 inches of rain reported for that gauge. By clicking on a gauge station, you will be able to view current and historical rainfall and weather data for this specific gauge location. The newest function added to the flood warning system is the Inundation Mapping feature. Inundation Mapping, indicated in blue on screen, shows the current areas that are likely inundated by water leaving the banks from bayous and creeks where the Flood Control District has water level gauges. Inundation visibility may be adjusted using the slider bar. The map is updated as water levels change. The user may click Refresh Data to view the latest available map at any time. The latest available inundation data is usually mapped every 15 minutes, but may take longer during extreme storm events. Please note, this tool does not show all flooding which may occur during a flood event. During a storm or rainfall event, you may experience flooding in your community that is not reported on the flood warning system. Flooding that is more localized, such as flooding of streets and storm sewer systems, is not reported via the Flood Warning System gauge network. This map will not depict flooding from high water in streams without gauges. Ponding, the process occurring after a rainfall when water gathers in low-lying areas throughout a watershed, frequently referring to water standing in the streets when the capacity of the storm sewer is exceeded. Or sheet flow or overland flow flooding. Flooding that occurs when intense local rainfall flows overland to reach a channel. Frequently, these conditions exist when runoff exceeds storm sewer or roadside ditch capacity, and the water can pond in the streets deep enough to flood residences that are not even near a creek or bayou. To review past weather events, such as Hurricane Harvey, go to the left-hand side of the screen and select the Historical tab. Then type your desired date in the past and watch the historical rainfall and inundation information populate the screen. For assistance with the additional features of the flood warning system, please see the Help section of the website. And for additional information about the flood warning system, please visit the FAQ page. The information displayed on the flood warning system is used by the Flood Control District and by Harris County's Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Management to inform you of imminent and current flooding conditions along bayous. It is also used by the National Weather Service to assist in the issuing of flooding watches and warnings. Accurate rainfall and stream level data help you and emergency management officials make critical decisions that ultimately can reduce the risk of property damage, injuries, and loss of life. The Flood Control District urges you and your family to use this information and take the appropriate precautions during times of heavy rain and flooding. You are encouraged to monitor bayou or stream levels near your homes, places of work, and areas along your daily commutes. Neither the Harris County Flood Control District nor Harris County represents the data as 100% accurate. You should follow directions provided by emergency management officials when making decisions during flooding or other weather-related events. For more information, visit www.harriscountyfws.org or call the Harris County Flood Control District Citizen Service Center at 713-684-4197.